what are leaders going to be able to need to achieve to deliver on the structural results that are needed in 24 and 25? Well, for me, one of the critical things there is about management of change and transformation. The vast majority of the clients that I'm working with are facing some kind of change at the moment. Now, whether that's a moderate level of change or it's a really significant transformation. I really have been a long time since I've seen any of my clients who have said, yeah, I think everything's going to be the same in the next 18 months, Gareth. So in order to work in this sort of environment, leaders need to do the difficult stuff about managing and leading change. They need the vision to see where their organization could be in the next 2 to 5 years. And then they need to sell that vision within the organization. They need to engage and motivate people to connect them into that. They need to create a plan of how that can be turned into a reality. And then they need to execute against that plan. So for me, the management of change and transformation is a significant capability and skill that leaders will need. A second key thing that they will need in order to achieve that is also the ability to bring people along, to develop the skills and capabilities of the people in their team, and to manage and engage people, particularly when working with knowledge workers, where their engagement, their motivation, their desire to actually do something more than just what's written in their contract is essential to getting the best value out of them. So to do that, managers and leaders have to be able to understand the individuals that they're working with to create a human connection. And the final thing I think leaders need to do is to master technology. And a key element of that is the use of AI. Organizations at the moment are talking about expecting, a 15 or 20% productivity increase due to the use of AI. And yet a great many people that I talk to really do not have a clear vision or a plan for how they would actually achieve those sort of numbers. Working, leading in change, engaging, developing the capability and the capacity of their people, and making use of new technology are going to be absolutely critical for leaders in 2024 and 2025.